Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming baseline numbers. Open settings and read battery health percentage so you know where you stand. Next, focus on temperature. If the device gets warm during charging, remove the case and place it on a cool surface to let air circulate. Finally, plug in a verified charger and cable. Low-quality chargers cause heat and stress. Once done, set a charging window and avoid letting the battery hit 0% or stay at 100% for long periods. Now refine your routine. Enable optimized charging if the device offers it, since it paces the final charge to reduce wear, or manually stop at about 80% when convenient. Adopt short cycles. Bring the battery from roughly 20% up to 80% instead of full charges, because shallower cycles reduce chemical stress. Also, limit use of fast charging. While useful, it increases heat and accelerates aging. Use it only when you need a quick top-up. Finish by keeping long-term habits. If you will not use the device for weeks, store it near 40% charge in a cool, dry place to slow degradation. Make sure apps are up to date and background activity is minimized, because software drain creates extra cycles and heat. If you notice rapid capacity loss or persistent overheating, try a recalibration cycle. Run down to 5% and charge to 100% once, and if problems persist, contact support for diagnostics as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.